What's in a name? Sometimes everything. Especially when you're an investor navigating a jungle of choices. How do you build a portfolio that adapts like nature and endures like it too? So we created a fund that reaches beyond the herd and has Nifty 500, mirrors just a slice of India's 2,500 listed companies. But like the giraffe, this fund reaches higher, selecting only the top 10 quality stocks from large, mid, and small caps, each quality 30. It adds endurance. Like the tortoise, careful, steady, built to last. Flexicap, the freedom to shift between market caps. Like the chameleon, adapting when it matters. Index fund, built to mirror the market efficiently. Like the ant, it's frugal and efficient, quiet, purposeful. Inspired by nature's survivors, we are introducing DSP Nifty 500 Flexicap Quality 30 Index Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.